Hello and welcome to this introductory video where I'm going to be going over an overview of this entire series of videos, which is geared towards the Cisco Certified Technician specializing in routing and switching. My name is Keith Bogart and I will be your instructor for this series of videos. You can see my credentials there, and if you need to reach out to me with any questions or comments you might have, you have my contact information. So let's talk a little bit about the overview of this course. What is the CCT and what are we going to be covering in this series of videos? So as I mentioned, the CCT stands for the Cisco Certified Technician. It is designed to support field technicians who are supporting Cisco devices. In other words, if you get the CCT certification, it lends credibility to the fact that you can go out and get a job as a field technician swapping out Cisco hardware, working closely hand in hand with Cisco's Technical Assistance Center, diagnosing and troubleshooting problems on Cisco hardware. So the stated objective of the CCT is really to diagnose Cisco equipment failures and restore or swap that equipment for replacement equipment. Now, once you've taken all the videos and you feel confident, you can go out and pursue the 640-692 exam, which will give you the CCT specialization. Now let me talk just a little bit about this in more detail as far as what topics are included on the test and that I'll be talking about here in the next series of videos coming up. So if you go to Google and from Google you just type in Cisco CCT, for me the very first link takes me to where I want to go. Here is about a 6-minute video if you wish to watch. They'll give you a little bit more detail from Cisco's perspective as far as why they created this exam. And you can see scrolling down that there's actually 2 subcategories of this. For field engineers that specialize in data center hardware and swapping, you'd want to get the CCT Data Center exam. Or you can go for the CCT Routing and Switching certification exam. This series of videos that you're about to watch is specifically tailored towards the routing and switching CCT. So if you click on that, the next section comes up and gives you more details, the specific exam that you can take to get your CCT in routing and switching. And from here, if you click on CCT Routing and Switching syllabus, it'll get you one step closer to where you can actually see the blueprint of the certification. From this page right here, up in the middle, you want to click on Exam Topics. And this will take you to the blueprint of the Cisco Certified Technician. You can see here that's broken down into 4 general categories: identifying Cisco equipment and related hardwares, describing Cisco iOS software operation, general networking knowledge, and service related knowledge. And you can expand each one of these by clicking on Show Details and get finer granularity on what is expected and what you might be tested on within this exam. So each of these subcategories will be covered in the series of videos I'm going to be showing you coming up here. So I hope you find this helpful. I hope you find it a little bit entertaining. And by the time you're done with this video series and creating flashcards and getting ready, you should be able to confidently approach and pass your Cisco Certified Technician exam in the field of routing and switching.